What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jose. Today we're gonna be reviewing STIIlZY Strawberry Cough. This is how the STIIlZY boxes look. I already did that. I don't know why, but total THC is 86.38, CBD 3.04. The date when it was due, when they made it. Yep. But let me know what you guys are smoking down below. Let's go, Packers and fans. We just waiting for who we're playing, man. Who you guys go for, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys are smoking down below too. The C8. It's a sativa too. It says the strawberry flavor. It comes with a little menu, like it's a warning. California STIIlZY warning. But let me give you guys a dry hit. It tastes like strawberries. It's a half gram too. So yo, pop this bitch open. You gotta see the light when it works. Yeah. Cheers. Okay, it tastes like strawberries. Strawberry coffee is bomb, bro. Let me know what you guys are doing for your Sunday fun day. But next week we play. Let's go, Packers. We got this. Let's just keep pushing. We got this. And let me know what you guys are smoking down below. The bubble not moving. Let me give you guys one more hit. Cheers. On taste, give it a 10. On high, it is a sativa. My head feels really high, like high. When a 10 of high, I give it a 8. So a 8 on high, 10 on flavor. This been Strawberry Cough review. Let me give you guys one more hit. Okay. Cheers. Like I said, don't throw your top things, bro. Keep this shit up. Keep that shit. You have that shit in your pocket. Gang. Alright. Yep. So 10 on flavor, 8.5 on high. With that one, 8.5. Strawberry. This was Strawberry Cough review. And yup, it's been your boy Jose. Until next time, leave a like, leave a comment. Till next time, go Pack, go.